Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. We got a late to the party bottle bag here that I'd like to give at least a little intro video to while I'm getting it prepared. It's ready to rock and roll right out of the bag once you put a water bottle in it, but I like putting gizmos and gadgets in mine, kind of building kits out of them as I go. But this is the new Grayl Mission bottle bag, and it's the sling bag. They made one that goes on your waist horizontally. It goes around your waist, and the bag kind of sits on top. So the water bottle would be on the bottom, and it's a larger bag on the top. But this is just a sling style, so it's got one shoulder sling or strap and a pouch that hangs from that crossbody style, or just draped over the shoulder. But first things first, it's got a pretty cool little design hanging wise, which I thought was pretty sweet. And this one is OD green, but this is how it is suspended. So it's got mollee and pals webbing, so you can attach things to it or attach this to something else. It's got a few little loops here which you can put the end of the shoulder strap on. So one end of it is a hook here, and the other end is this cool little dangly Velcro deal here. It goes through some loops here on the top. So the shoulder strap is completely removable. It can come all the way off, and this can just be a pouch that goes on the side of a backpack. Pretty sweet. It's got a few little Velcro spots on here. D-ring, kind of on both ends. This is the same D-ring and the Velcro spot where I've been putting some fun patches. Bonus points if you know what this is from, and super bonus points. I may even send you guys one of these if somebody can say where this rabbit's from. I told you! But pouch wise, it's got a slightly larger pocket with some what the heck, I've just totally went blank, with some elastic webbing here. And then it's got one a little smaller. One of the, like I said, it's just this. The one on the back is slightly wider than the one on the front, but they both have elastic, pretty deep. The other side's just webbing, and then the pouch. The pouch unzips. And then inside has one large pocket as well as a small mesh pocket in there. And I don't have a tape measure. It's pretty good. It's probably maybe 6 inches in depth for this pocket right here. And I think there's a couple different sizes of this pack, like of the bag itself. This is the ultra light. Dang, I can't remember if this is the titanium one or which one I got here. Yeah, this is just the plastic ultra press. So this is it's not the ultralight or the geopress, it's the middle one. Fits down in there. Got it in a Campcraft Outdoors pre-filter bag. And I also have I got my titanium cup on there also. And it all fits down in there with plenty of room. So look, I cut this off, guys. The pouch gets a good bit bigger than it will go right now, but I shortened the tabs. I cut that off and tied a knot in it just so I could get it tighter. Didn't have a bunch of dangly stuff on there, so I went ahead and cinched that down, but it would hold a larger bottle. But anyway, pretty cool. I haven't done much running with this thing other than just putting some stuff on it. I'm gonna get the stuff so it's a kit in itself, so I don't have to go swapping stuff around. I don't like to go back and forth between bags, but just some basic stuff to put in here, and then I'm gonna start carrying it. Same principle as all of the other bottle bags. It's just a convenient way of having everything kind of in one spot, and then gives you the ability to go in whatever setup, park some stuff, whatever you want to do. You can put your pack down and still have a way to beat bushes and carry your water bottle and stuff with you while you're doing things. I've got to where I carry that little Nalgene with just a piece of paracord lanyard around here doing lots of stuff, and it's just super convenient to have it right there on you whenever you want it. But anyway, I appreciate the support, guys. Mission bottle bag from the Grayl. Yeah, much more to come. Like and support, or like and subscribe. Appreciate the support. You can check out all our older stuff, Bushcraft Kelso on Instagram, bushcraftkelso.com for gizmos and gadgets. Check it out. Later.